We've gotta go to bed.
Right now?
We've gotta get to sleep somehow.
But I just really, really love the story. Can we read it, please?
Maybe one more time, okay? 'Cause you know who is on his way when we get